You know want to on it?
Hi.
Yeah man, Leverage Boss TV.
Okay.
Alright. Where you say this day now?
Bull injection, medic and double gun, donkey weed, chang back, guinea leaf, ramu, suicide leaf. And you cash your wine, make you don't get no stroke. You guinea an old man bill and suicide leaf, fight cancer cell. And all these things make you keep your money safe.
I want to reach 8,000 subscribers to you know, but yo, that smell like shit man. Alright. Yeah man, Leverage Nation, I don't know who they're on way. My drive, we are going at the Santa Cruz town, so we're gonna show you a little journey. We're going at Santa Cruz town, you know? Bits and pieces. So that's a Leverage man. On the road is the welcome back Leverage Nation. I don't know say we're there in Santa Cruz right now and we're there at the KFC and you want to see the line from the road. It's crazy. Look at it's crazy. See KFC over there to your left. Yeah, so line, so it's gonna take a while right now, you see me? So we are go shell some KFC and maybe get a small car review. Yeah man. So like up the video, remember to like the video, you know, and do the right thing. If you're new to the channel, always remember to subscribe. It's free, as I said, free to subscribe. Right now we at close to the first 100, I'm gonna make a video for that too. So yeah. Alright, probably when this released, way over the 100, but you know, give thanks to all our subscribers them same way. You know, we are create a nation, leverage nation, and thing I grow from that. Yeah man, data leverage. So see KFC right there now. I mean, all day in there, all day in of the pipe. Why? Straight to the back. Yeah man, do some essentials. Where saw the Shell KFC?
I'm not sure.
Yes, sir.
Bucket and thing.
Well, we don't know about the bucket today, but we are just testing about. Maybe a 3-piece will do, mixture and go now, you know? So we are driving right now. Hopefully it moves fast enough. It's crazy. Crazy. Alright, so we get back when we reach up further in the line and I make the order or something, man. Or when we get it, it's that a leverage. Yeah, so leverage nation, we stop at KFC and I know say we get the right man. So where you say this day now?
Bull injection, Medina and double gun, donkey weed, chang back, guinea leaf, raw moon, sour sat leaf. And you cash the wine, make it don't get no stroke. You guinea an old man bill and sour sat leaf, fight cancer cell. And all these things make it keep your money and save. Enjoy your saving.
Yeah.
This week enough man.
Yeah man, so we get the one that where you say the one that breed?
Yeah, that one that make it thump on the road, no referee. One knock and knock out.
And what the one name?
Bull injection, 9-1. Pay attention to the middle section. And watch your connection.
Okay. Alright, bless up. Yeah,
Bull
man.
injection.
Boop. Yo,
100
yo, this stink. Go on. I see. Odina bless up the little youth them. Yeah man, that is it. That's how we do it, Leverage Nation. So in time to support the channel, things like that can go on more. You see? I want to reach 8,000 subscribers to you know, but yo, that smell like shit man. I wipe and wipe off the back. That's what it smell? What on? I should tell you one more time for drink it. Yeah, Leverage Nation. Yo, still in a KFC line and wait. How that man here though? I can't cut him out.
Man.
Yeah. So we get back to the Leverage Nation. Come on. Right now, so Leverage Nation there. Somewhere further up the line. And I guess the man walk in and come to the order, so you know the thing go. I make an order. Hello. You can get a 3-piece. Oh, that's a big deal. Mix all. And
Two or two.
yeah.
Barbecue and spicy alone.
Yeah.
Barbecue and spicy only.
Same. I'm gonna get the same thing, barbecue and spicy. 3-piece again, barbecue and spicy. And drink, you have grape soda? Yeah, let me get that. What you want?
Grape.
Yeah, grape soda.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's 2068.
Alright. Oh, not here, just so? That'll take care?
Like a change? Yeah.
You look nice, see?
Can I copy?
If you want. Leverage Boss TV. You know want to on it? Yeah man, Leverage Boss TV. Okay. Alright. Big up on yourself. People love the vlog. Yeah, leveraging it, I see it there. We get it in. And we are go do the badness right now. Alright, that is it.
The door shut.
Yeah, good if you never want to drop out. Alright. KFC.
I can't go wrong.
Alright. Oh, then we can't go around this. I wish he got this now.
What kind of?
Oh, we go. Yeah, see there? 3-piece barbecue original and spicy, crispy, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, see?
Spicy and barbecue.
Yeah, man. Set up all the camera properly and we'll just go some bombs and all the vibes and tell you what I go on. We'll be right back. Yeah man, Leverage Nation, you know. Yeah, mash up the KFC right now. I drive. Don't drink and drive. Eat KFC and survive. That's a leverage. Yeah man. So right now, fries them have a vibe. Hold them up. Stand up, you know.
You're good.
I think you're good. I think you're good. Lean, man. Extend it out and catch it more. Really, bro. Head back in the place, you know. Get some pipes in the way, so don't watch that. Bad piece of KFC, yeah? Spicy. First time KFC, I get it from Rich. It's a shame, but I have to get it anyways, you know, as long as you get it. Spicy, nice. Right now, test the original. Delicious. Right now, I can taste all the flavor them in there. Yeah, man. You want a better dinner than this right now in Jamaica. Yes, how do you want to go on?
Go on.
Top of leverage, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
KFC are best, man.
To the bone. That's the original. Yeah, man. We'll try the best of the best, the barbecue. And look funny, barbecue. The best of the best. We didn't really give me the smallest piece, and wicked in, but yo! Barbecue, nicest thing. Nobody can compete. Barbecue.
Ready to stop at Mother's one.
Maybe next time. Next time we're gonna update. We're gonna compare the mothers and we call that one a juicy beef fatty. Yeah, man. We have that the comparison there, man. So which one tastes better? Yeah, man. But this, baddest thing. 10 out of 10 as always, no bias. Yeah. So Leverage Nation, oh, big up to them. Actually put them at the intro. Big up to them kids that were the out of KFC front. Big up on yourself, you know? Yeah, man, I know so probably would not go watch this. So we're there in a Santa Cruz town right now. And we are go back to the ends. So that's a review, a small review, you know, while driving. So wanna see how we get done. We're there in the town same way, you know. So that's a leverage, man. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And yeah, man, Odie go show you the town while we are exit. So that's that, man. Until next time, look where I go on, man. Turn it around, people, let me see where I go on.